If you want to restart or reboot your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can use the power button and the volume down button. You need to hold these two buttons for a couple of seconds to show the power menu. There we go. So once we have the power menu, then of course here you can tap on the restart button and you should be able to reboot your phone. You can also go to the quick settings panel, just like that. And then here in the upper right corner, we have this power button that allows you to show the power menu as well. And here we can, of course, restart. And in addition to that, if you have the phone folded, if you want to use the cover screen instead, then you can still open the power menu by using the power button. And now the volume down button is this one here. So we need to use these two buttons here. We need to press and hold them for a couple of seconds. And here we have the restart option. Leave a like and subscribe.